Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. We are in TestOut Hybrid Server Pro Core. This is 6.3.8. Edit the password replication policy. I hope you got your thinking cap on you and you've studied up on these videos and fact sheets, because these labs from 6 through 8 are going to be challenging, which we love. We love challenges. So let's get started. You've just completed the installation of two read-only domain controllers, Branch 3 RODC and Branch 4 RODC. To allow log on when a WAN link to these sites is down, you want to configure the password replication policy to cache passwords for users who are likely to be at those locations. To increase security, you do not want to cache passwords for users who shouldn't be at that site. Okay, so it gives you some information, but you got to kind of put two and two together as you go along here. I'll explain as we do that. You examine the users at each location and learn that all members of the sales team can use either branch 3 or 4 locations. Only members of the research dev team should use the branch 4 location. Mark Woods, a member of the accounting department, will travel to both branches when performing audits. In this lab, you're tasked to configure the password replication policy for Branch 3 RODC and Branch 4 RODC to cache only necessary passwords using the following parameters. So, edit the allowed RODC password replication group in the users container. Add the following members of the group: Sales, Mark Woods. Allocate caching to the computer. Okay, so you see there's a difference between this and this. Sales, and this is computer accounts. So another key point where you're going to have to put two and two together, and I'll explain here in just a minute. So let's do this first section here. We know we need to go to the Corp DC virtual server and double click. Go ahead and go to Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. Drop down on this and let's go to Users, because that's where we created this. So let's right click on this allowed and go to Properties. Go to Members. No. Properties. Okay, so all right, we're in the right place now. So here is one key aspect you need to look out for is the object types. Right now it's users, groups, and other objects, and that's not what we want for security purposes. We need to get rid of that other object, but we do need to add computers because it tells us that we're doing computer accounts, and we might want to add these contacts in there. Select OK. And now we can start adding in all the groups that we want to add in here. So let's do sales. Paste that in there, semicolon space, Mark Woods. Paste that in there, semicolon space, sales 1 through 5. And we're just going to cheat a little bit. Paste that in there, back it up, put a 2. See what I did there? It's already in my clipboard, so I might as well take advantage of that little shortcut. These little shortcuts will help you out when you take this test. Save you a little bit of time while you're all stressed out and nervous. And one more was the accounting 2. check the names. They all went through. Go OK and OK. Okay, so this first bit is done. So you see where we came up with contacts is these are computer accounts. And the sales group is, what we want for our contacts and groups, but not other objects. I mean, we don't want other objects to have access to this for security reasons, right? Edit the properties for the branch 4 RODC account. Configure the password replication policy as follows. Okay, so can we do that from here? No, you cannot. And let me tell you why. What it's trying to point you to is the domain controllers. That's where it's wanting you to go to, and it wants you to do it from here. So we're going to properties right here. Properties. Oh, here we go. Scroll up. I forgot that messed me up a little bit because I was making it bigger for you where you guys could see. So here we are. Let's back up just so you get this. You are in domain controllers. Just for giggles, let's see if we can do it from here too. Branch 4, properties, members. No, you cannot do it from here. So it has to be from the domain controller, branch 4, and properties. We're going to go to this replication, password replication. Okay, what does it say? So we need to remove this. Let's remove it. Yes. And then it says we want to add it back in, but we want to give it a deny. So if we go add, there's the deny. Okay. And it brings you up to this box, and this is where you're going to put in the name of that, what we just removed. Check names. Okay. And now we're going to add allow permissions. So it's allow permissions here on out. So let's go add, allow, okay. Let's put the research dev in there with a semicolon space. Let's get Mark Woods in there. Res M1. Res M2. Honestly, I really don't know if you have to have that space, but it's just something that I've always done and I know works, so I will stick with that. Accounting 2. Let's check those names. Here we go. Okay. Okay. And let's see how we did. There you have it. Another successful, challenging TestOut lab. I hope this helped you out with your lab. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop me a comment. Let me know how you did on this one. All right. Have a good day.